Before I start my slide, I would just like to show that, say that the main aim of my presentation is for all of us to get an insight into the major causes of death in BRC hospital. Sometime or the other we all wonder what are most of the people dying in BRC hospital from. So I hope my study can give a small insight into that question. So this study basically is a cause of death in a specified time period by examining the death register in the ICU of the BRC hospital. So as you know, BRC hospital is a 390 bedded hospital catering to CHS beneficiaries in excess of 85,000. And also another aim of the study is to compare the data in my study with the data available nationally and internationally. The methods were that retrospective data was collected from the ICU register in the medical ICU of BRC. It is the only register that records all the deaths in BRC hospital. So, okay. Also a web search for cause of death globally and nationally was done. In brief, the results were like this: that in a period of over 3 years, 268 deaths took place. The number of males dying outnumbered the number of females dying. The maximum number of deaths occurred between 6 a.m. and 12 p.m. In these 3 years, 12 post-mortem requests were sent. And as we all know, the post-mortem request was sent for those patients who had no pre-existing medical illnesses or whose age was such that we could not classify it as a natural cause of death. The main thing to note is the last point, that cardiovascular causes topped the major cause of death in BRC hospital. The limitations of this study were few. All deaths, as we know, do not occur in the hospital. Some people pass away in the comfort of their home. Some people pass away in other hospitals due to the factors of distance, etc. In addition, pediatric deaths were not recorded or not studied in this paper. This is just a graphic representation of the number of deaths which have been fairly stable. We must keep in mind that the number of CHS beneficiaries also show a small increase on an annual basis. As we all know, life and death are very serious issues, as this animation depicts. This is a pie chart representing the proportional causes of death. You can see that cardiovascular and respiratory causes are the main causes of death in BRC hospital, followed by infectious, sepsis, malaria.